Imagine two people turning 30. One has savings, investments, and financial freedom. The other is stressed about bills, debt, and living paycheck to paycheck. The surprising part? They started from the same place. The difference wasn't how much money they earned, it was the money decisions they made in their 20s. Today we're looking at 5 money mistakes people make in their 20s and how you can avoid them before they cost you years of progress. Let's begin. Mistake number 1. Not saving any money. One of the biggest mistakes people make is waiting to save. They tell themselves, "I'll start when I earn more." But saving isn't about how much you earn. It's about building the habit. Let's look at a simple example. If you save just $100 every month, you'll have $1,200 after 1 year. In 5 years, that's $6,000. And that's before any investment growth. That's money that could help you handle emergencies, start a business, travel, or make a down payment on something important. The earlier you start, the easier it becomes. Mistake number 2. Living beyond your means. Many people spend money trying to impress others. A new phone, expensive clothes, fancy restaurants, or a car they can barely afford. Social media makes it look normal, but often you're only seeing the highlights of someone's life. Remember this: looking rich is easy. Being financially secure is much harder. Before buying anything non-essential, wait 24 hours and ask yourself, do I still want this tomorrow? Most of the time, the answer will surprise you. Mistake number 3. Ignoring debt can seem harmless at first. You buy something today and promise yourself you'll pay later, but later becomes next month, then the month after that. Meanwhile, interest keeps growing. A small debt can turn into a big problem surprisingly fast. Debt doesn't wait for you to be ready. Interest compounds every single month, whether you think about it or not. If you already have debt, don't ignore it. Create a plan and start paying it off little by little. Every payment gets you closer to financial freedom. Mistake number 4. Not learning about investing. A lot of people think investing is only for wealthy people. That's a myth. Investing is simply putting your money to work instead of letting it sit still. And this is where compound interest becomes powerful. Imagine you invest $1,000 and earn 10% in a year. Now you have $1,100. The next year you earn interest on $1,100, not just the original $1,000. Your money starts earning money. And then that money starts earning money too. Over many years, this growth can become surprisingly large. That's why starting early is often more important than investing huge amounts. Mistake number 5. Having no financial goals. Many people work hard for their money, but never decide where they want it to take them. Without goals, money disappears. With goals, money has a purpose. Maybe you want to buy a home, start a business, travel the world, or retire comfortably someday. Whatever your goal is, write it down. When you know what you're working toward, making smart financial decisions becomes much easier. Conclusion: your 20s are a unique time in your life. You have something that older people wish they could buy back: time. The money choices you make today may seem small, but they can shape the next 10, 20, or even 30 years of your life. You don't need to be rich. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Start saving a little. Learn about investing. Stay away from unnecessary debt. Make a plan for your future. Years from now, you'll either thank yourself for the decisions you made today or wish you had started sooner. The choice is yours. If this video made you think about your money differently, hit like. It genuinely helps this channel grow. And if you know someone in their 20s who needs to hear this, share it with them. Subscribe for more videos like this every week. See you in the next one.